We're here at 210 Dryden Road to take a look at room 36 on the 3rd floor of this 3-floor house. Let's go on in and take a look. All of the bedrooms will have a full-size bed. This room is facing to the east. We have this one window here. You can see the heater in the corner. The rooms will always have a desk and chair, a dresser, and a tall bookshelf. And you can see the closet over here. So there are 8 rooms on this floor. There are 2 bathrooms and a kitchen at the end of the hallway. Those are shared common spaces. And then everyone would have their own individual room here in the house. So room 36 at 210 Dryden Road. We're just above the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and we are 1 block from campus.